Guys, look, ni saa ngapi? It's 4:19 a.m. in the morning and I'm up currently. Nafanya basically going through the trades zenye I executed last week. Also pia niki backtest kama kuna hii trade ya gold. I actually had two setups. One setup failed because I entered apparently at this level. This last zone of resistance, and as you can see, price actually traded from this OC level. Yeah, so I had a one loss on gold and another win that is currently running this one. Yeah, so like I said, ni saa kumi 20 in the morning and I'm up backtesting. And when you trader and you want to find profitability in the market, you want to find your edge in this industry, it won't just come when you're sitting there. No, you have to chase for it. You have to work your way towards profitability. And how do you do that? You do that by constantly backtesting strategy anyway. You want to make your own. You refine that strategy until it gives you the win rate yenye unataka. Unaona, if a strategy gives you a win rate of at least 60%, inamaanisha if you have to take 10 trades for example, 6 of those trades itakuwa right na 4 itakuwa wrong. So in overall, the wins of the 60% like inakweka on a scale, on a winning scale, a consistent winning scale, if obviously the risk parameters zako they're in check. Unaona, so the only way you'll find profitability again, it's through like you chasing that knowledge. And knowledge haijileti tu ati wewe umeka tu hapo. Unaona, the thing about trading ni it rewards those who take it seriously. Unaona, if you take trading seriously, it will also reward you massively. Unaona, but ukika hapo when the market closes on Friday, then you you wait till Monday for the market to open for you to open your chart, alafu uanze na continue trading when the market opens on Monday. Then inamaanisha the only time you're taking trading seriously, it's on a week, on a weekdays. Now on the weekends I understand ni time ya for you to let loose, kupumzika, unaona, for you to try and just to thank your body for all the stress yenye maybe ulipitia hiyo wiki, maybe kama market imekunyorosha hiyo wiki. But the thing is you don't have to do that. Unaona, set aside on a weekend, unaona, because weekend inazanga Friday inaisha Sunday. Unaona, so set some time aside for you to just come check the market. Ujaribu kuangalia like last week how did the market play out. Unaona, last week market ilikuwa ina react from which zones. Unaona, last week's high ilikuwa wapi, last week's low ilikuwa wapi. Unaona, how did the market close last week? Did it close bullish? Did it close bearish? Now this coming week, what are our projection? Are we expecting the market to continue with the bull move ama bullish move, ama we are expecting some sort of reversals? Unaona, are we expecting continuation trades ama reversal trades? Unaona, the key levels zenye they were untapped last week, can we see price pull into those key levels? Unaona, and where are we looking to enter? Unaona, and where are we looking to exit the market? So these are the things that you do on weekend, so that by the time market inafunguka on Monday, you have a clear mindset and a sense of direction on where the market itaenda and what you'll be expecting this coming week. Kama the week ita continue with last week's move, let's say kama last week ili close bearish, maybe you are expecting that this week will continue being bearish. Kama last week ili close bullish, you are expecting that this week will continue being bullish. Unaona, but wewe Friday ikifika, you close your laptop, you close everything and unasema mpaka tena Monday. Trust me, that is not how you find profitability. You will only find profitability if you take trading serious. Unaona, because you if you go to your socials, your Instagram, your YouTube, your TikTok, you will see all these traders like they telling you about how to be profitable. Wengine they're selling you this lifestyle of profitability. Unaona, wanakuonyesha magari, wanakuonyesha manyumba. Unaona, but these are things that they will not tell you. Unaona, a legit trader atakwambia vitu zenye mimi nakwambia. Unaona, an influencer trader will just show you the lifestyle, because they're selling you that lifestyle. They get money through referrals, they get money through commissions, they get money by introducing you to their broker. They have a partnership with their brokers. Unaona, so join your broker ndo how they earn money. Unaona, and for them to earn money inamaanisha they have to keep you at a level where you're at a disadvantage. Unaona, and you're at a disadvantage in what terms? In terms of you're lacking that knowledge. Sasa kama knowledge nakwambia saizi. Unaona, because tell me, if you are profitable, if you know what I know, if you know a knowledge yenye other profitable traders know, like you won't be in the hautakuwa pawns in this game. These people want you use bad, hautakutumia vibaya, unanipata? Wewe umekaa tu unangoja money ifike, maybe you're in a Telegram group or yeah, Signals, una expect money ikifika, because I paid Signals, I'm waiting for the person who I paid Signals and to me Signals. So where you want to be fed because you paid for that signal. Now what happens if that person who is giving you signals next week asikwe? Will you stop trading? Ama unatafuta tena mtu mwingine wa kukupea signals? Hiyo pesa unatafuta mtu akupatia signals. Why don't you invest that money in the knowledge ya forex? Yeah? Why don't you invest that money in the knowledge ya forex? I see most traders with potential, most upcoming traders with potential to being profitable and making it in this industry. I see many of them like wanakuja na hii motisha, hii morale mazee, like wanaonyesha potential hadi kuangalia unajua mazee, these people will make it kwa industry. A few weeks, a few months down the line they give up because wanakosa tu discipline na hiyo kujituma hiyo. Because trust me, ukijituma you will always make it. Ukijituma you will always make it. Ukijituma you will always make it. Unaona? So ni weekendi, ukisikia hata kwa background kuna klabu ina play hapo hivyo. I stay close to a Revelers Joints or a club. Saizi hao ni watu wa 9 to 5 ndio wana enjoy saizi. Hata kama si watu wa 9 to 5, like hao ni watu wenyewe wanaishi kwa ile system yenyewe. From Monday to Friday they are working. Sunday ni sherehe. From Friday to Sunday ni sherehe. Then they continue the same repetition. Whereas in trading, you know, you can earn money or make money every single day because the market on Bitcoin huwa high close. So saizi venye wanafanyaje, wana party huko, they are reveling, you could be making money trading BTC USD. Unaona? So that aside, maze mjitume, that's all I can tell you. You can't find profitability kama haujitumi. I've been trading for the past 8 years now. Nilianza kutrade 2018. I wasn't profitable mpaka kitu 2020. Yeah, mpaka kitu 2020, and I've been trading ever since. Unaona? Saizi I have the means and capabilities ya kupiga sherehe nikitaka. If I want to travel I can travel. If I want to buy anything I can buy. Like kofupi, like financially niko stable. But I'm still up saizi. Unaona? I'm still up saizi, refining my strategy, going through trades, backtesting. Unaona? Nikijiuliza hizo maswali za how did last week close, what our projection this week. Unaona? When I'm supposed to be sleeping. Again, saizi ni saa ngapi? Look, 4:30. Wewe tutapatana, you'll see my post, utaona maybe nimekupostia hapo trade yangu ya gold, maybe imechapa take profit, imenipatia certain amount, then you're like, how did I come up with that trade? Unaona? Why did I enter here? How? Unaanza how? Well, this is how. I don't sleep. There's no sleep for me in this world. Najituma na nitajituma, because nataka by the time, let's say if I'm even to start my own family, if I'm to settle down, get married, I don't want my children to lack anything or to suffer the way I suffered growing up. Like, I don't want them to lack anything. And how will I ensure that happens? That will only happen when I keep chasing my goals, I keep working my ass, najituma, and I take this thing serious the way I've always taken it serious. This is my only source of income. Hata investments zingine zenye niko nazo, pesa huwa inatoka kwa trading, and I channel or pump hizo funds zenye zinatoka kwa trading into those other investments. Yes, it's fine to have other portfolios. Unaona? Because at the end of the day, you diversify your portfolios, your investments increase. Unaona? And you keep on growing. So, my guys, again, mujitume, yeah? Mujitume. So, basically, hii video imekuwa ya nini? Imekuwa ya just telling you kujitume and stuff. Kuna trade ya GJ, I took it last month. I entered here hapa, nika exit hapa, ika continue kubuy, kisha currently imesell with a massive like meltdown. Unaona? The last zone of support ndio hii hapa. We had a pullback or new price trying to pull to this level. So kama saizi like kwa mfano hii GBP JPY, my expectation ni this is a sell side, this is a buy side. Unaona? The closest level, that is the closest level to this liquidity pool, I'm pending liquidity, the closest key level ni last zone of support and this continuation supply. Unaona? So I'm expecting this continuation supply, which is in the form of a open close key level. If you scale on a lower time frame, it's a very clear supply, continuation supply. So I'm expecting that market on Monday, price will wipe out this liquidity, because you see this Asia low was taken, the high was it. So price it take out this Asia high as it fills this imbalance, this whole imbalance, because it's only filled up to the consecutive encroachment level, which is the 50% of this imbalance. Can I pull up to this key level, and I'll be expecting some sort of rejection at this key level. Rejection can but breakout to the downside, then it can put a confirmation that you are indeed selling from this key level, and itaingia na confirmation sells. So hizi ndio vitu zenye nafanya on a Sunday or on a weekend, unaona, forward testing, back testing. Anyway, that will be all.